Hi, my name's Harry and this is my hair story. My hair is very thick. I like to play around with it a lot. I go through a couple of different styles. Being able to style my hair at home, it allows me to have it done more frequently, as I don't have to worry about a constant payout at the barbers, and it's just more convenient as you don't have to travel anywhere. When my hair's just been cut and it looks slick, I get loads of compliments from people, which obviously boosts your confidence so much.